Hey, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to do water or the splash test of the new Samsung Galaxy A03. I'm going to spray water on it and let's see can it survive. Keep in mind this phone is not IP53 or IP67 water resistant, so I will now suggest you to do this test at home. Again, I will warn you not to try this and take this test as fun. So after the test, here you can see display is working fine without any issues. So display survived. And here are few camera samples and you can see camera is working fine also. I took these samples after this test. And here are few selfies. Again, take this test as fun, and if you enjoyed this video then please like it and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.